Kasi mismo sa decision ng jurisdiction at saka sa resolution ng confirmation of charges hearing, inamin ng ICC yung factual, yung tinatawag nilang procedural history. Sahin nyo yung dokumento na yan. But before I will go into the procedural history, ibig sabihin yung historical antecedent nitong kasong ito, I'll put it in a context. Una, jurisdiction of the ICC is conferred only on member states. Ibig sabihin, state parties who have ratified the Rome Statute. And we know that only about 125 out of the close to 200 UN member states have ratified the Rome Statute. The Philippines have withdrawn effectively March 19. Now, having said that, nakalagay doon sa desisyon at sa resolution at sinasabi doon sa procedural history na April 2021, the Office of the Trial Prosecutor wrote a letter to the President of the ICC expressing their plan to conduct an investigation in the Philippine situation. That letter was formalized in a request authorizing the conduct of an investigation in the Philippine situation in May 2021. That request was approved by the ICC on September 2021. Ibig sabihin, all of this happened 2 years after the withdrawal of the Philippines from the Rome Statute. Paano nangyari na may jurisdiction yung ICC? Tell me, paano nangyari?
Yes.
So, it really begs the question na sasabihin mo na moot. Kasi nga, until now, the President is questioning the jurisdiction of the ICC by not only by his own argument, by his own allegation, even by the admission of the ICC insofar as what they call procedural history on how the investigation started.
We understand that, Attorney Delgra, pero di ba, Chiki, para kasi kung ICC ang tatanungin, tapos na yung issue na yun, at ang pag-uusapan na ay
yung confirmation of charges, yung kaso
Pwede nga.
mismo, crimes against
Pwede nga sabihin na gano'n. Pero hindi naman ibig sabihin na, okay, mooted na, nagsalita na yung ICC, sasabihin mo ba, sige, tuloy na lang yung kaso. Itutuloy pa rin yung kaso. However, it does not mean that we will not continue to object the jurisdiction of the ICC over the Philippine situation,
Yes,
and
sir.
particularly
Malinaw po yan.
involving the former president.